Y vamos a ver cuánto quieren de enganche, vamos a ver cuánto es al mes, cuánto cuesta, el tamaño. Aquí está, nos paramos a la tiendita de eso. Vámonos. Pues vamos, le voy a decir los requisitos. Primero tienes que ser chingón como yo, Algo más. Ok, vamos a ver acá. Vamos a ver dónde está.
Oo, pero hindi pa to pwede ano. Yung remaining na ano. Pakita pa kayo.
Le van a decir que grande está.
Ito lang niya kay Murad. Sir.
Oh,
Ay.
100?
English bali. English. English?
Oh.
Yeah. Don't understand Tagalog, sir?
No.
No. Ay, tayo dyan. Tabak ka niya. Papalaman ng English Okay. Explain mo. Hindi mo sila may English, sir.
Okay.
Ay, dito.
Oh, yeah.
Dito tayo, dito. So our area, sir, starts here. From here. Going to, you know the tree, sir?
Oh, yeah, the third one.
The signal, the one. Signal here.
Ah, okay.
Ano pa ba?
Oh, so it just.
Hirapan ako mag-English nito ah. So this is the existing road.
Oh, this is.
Yes, this is
Okay.
road. Then the available lots here is except one. Ito, the block 7. The block 2 lot 7. This only one not na
Available.
Oh yeah. Then the rest available, sir.
And what was the square meter? Or,
Square meter depends the area, sir. Like the prime lot, 200 square meter, and the residential lot is 100 square meter regular cut, sir.
oh,
Then you can buy the
Yeah, but choose pricing natin, sir.
ayun nga pala.
oh, the prices.
Color coding is the price.
Okay.
Yes.
When you choose the yellow one, they are 50,000.
Oh, 350.
Okay. And the color
Color
green is
green,
300,000. Color blue is
250.
150 is something.
The color yellow, sir, is there from the prime lot or the commercial lot, prime lot, and
Oh.
front.
In front of the national highway.
Oh, but it starts right here? Or all the way over there?
No. Start here.
Oh, right here?
Here, going the, you know the signal?
The second one?
Yes.
Oh, okay.
The signboard, I mean.
Okay.
Then the,
And where does it go over there?
yes. Color green, maybe color green.
Oh, there's another one.
The area there is Doki, sir. Doki.
Oh, but this one is. Oh, so these are all
So
350.
this road, sir, is the 8 meters.
Yung
Ah.
road niya.
2 vehicles can pass.
Okay. Road access?
Yes, the road.
Oh.
10 meters.
Which road is this one? It's over there?
No,
No,
No?
sir.
over there.
Over
Yeah.
there?
This one, the existing road. Then
yeah.
this
National highway
one,
is here.
maybe there, no?
Okay.
Siguro di banda, ano? Yung ano na to?
Okay. Let me see.
150 ba yun dito, sir?
So that one is a 3. Was it 3? No. It's 350.
350
I thought they said it was. No. It's an installment, but I thought they said it was.
115 po, ma'am, is yung spot cash niya po is 120.
Ay, yung 120, ma'am?
Sa dulo na po yun.
Dulo na siya.
Commercial lang dito.
Dulo, sir. Yung harap namin is 350, may 300 yung green, 250 yung blue.
Ito po,
Then 150
pwede na
yung-
siya magamit.
350.
Ito
Yes.
po. Here, the prime sir po. Nagamit na siya.
Oh.
Basit, ma'am, sir.
Ahoy talaga. Ako po sa baby para makakonsentrate si ma'am.
So, ito siya, ma'am, no? Ito yung existing road, diba? Ito yung daanan. Then dito, may daan na din siya, 10 meters. Malaki na yan, ma'am, kasi yung 6.5 nga, kasya na yung dalawang sasakyan eh. So ito, 8 meters din. Lahat po to 6.5, kasya to dalawang sasakyan. Lahat yan sisementohin pa yan. I-develop pa yan ni
So ito po
company
yung
ko.
national highway, ma'am, no? Yan po.
So ito yun, doon yun siya.
Nandito po tayo.
Oscar, how far
Kaya
it
dito
goes?
tayo ngayon.
How far does it go back right there? The lot.
Slow po dyan, ma'am. Medyo
So,
slow.
unsa man yun siya kung mag-cut mo paana ba siya?
Pag ganun siya. Pero hanggang doon yun siya, ma'am, yung kulay.
Like this.
Yung may, ano doon, no, may signboard, ang araw na yon, hanggang doon yung area namin. Then pag ganun siya.
Oh yeah. And this.
Ito, pwede na magamit.
Ito,
That side too.
Oh, which one?
ilang ganito.
Oh, but it's not this one. Oh, this one for sale too?
Then yung harap na yun, ma'am, is ano yan, no?
Resort.
Resort yun siya dati nang nag-pandemic na po.
Oh,
Sa other side, old resort.
Ito yun siya, yung remaining.
old resort.
Pero hindi pa siya kasi pwede i-market namin. So ito pa lang po.
No, but I said, how much? That one's. What's the price?
But ano sir, we can't sell or we can't market pa. Maybe soon.
Soon.
Yeah.
Pwede may tawag na yun.
Because maybe the papers na.
Kailangan ko kung mag-down payment mi sa 100 square meter.
Yung front, saan ba banda gusto
Ay,
niya,
kani.
ma'am? Ito kasi ma'am, ang regular cut, pumasok na yung lang doon.
Huh?
Ang regular cut niya ma'am is 200.
Ay, wala mo 100 square meter.
Ang 100 namin is dito lang siya, residential. Yung start na siya sa green.
Di ato na dapit no.
Ito lang.
Dito, doon na
Yung
siya.
sa gitna
Yung mga saging, ma'am.
Oh no.
Diyan na siya.
Ano rin.
First lot man guni. So we can buy 100 square meter.
200 talaga.
200 lang.
Meron dito, 198. Undercut. Yun ang pinakamababa niya. Yung pinaka front na no.
Kasi commercial siya, ma'am.
Ito
Pag
rin
commercial talaga, commercial lahat is medyo mataas.
Okay, may langgam talaga.
50. Which one was the one that was 20,000 down?
30,000.
Oh, 30.
30K down
Or,
payment.
mm.
This one sir, the color pink.
Oh, those.
Yes.
Kama po na dapit.
Dulo na siya ma'am, doon na
Ano?
Dulo na siya talaga.
And that, sir.
Oh.
And lot.
And for this one, how much is the down payment?
Or right here.
So, 350? Ouch.
70,000.
70,000.
Oh, 70.
May lang.
Yung monthly? Monthly sa...
Dito.
Hindi, down payment pa.
Down payment, I mean. Yung monthly nun is 4,667.
Mm.
Kasi 20% ang down payment.
Ay, di ba nakaano pala tayo ngayon?
Pag spot
Nag-spot
cash po,
cash ngayon, 25% tayo no? Hanggang November 30.
promo po namin yun.
Promo yan siya ma'am, hanggang November 30.
Hanggang November 30. So yung 350, less natin ng 25% is magkano?
Calcio.
This one is 7.
Ako na lang.
Pag spot cash po kasi, ang ganda ng promo ngayon. Less natin ng 25%.
That's $4.
4,000 monthly.
Monthly.
Bakit?
Mm. What is it? The ants? Oh. Hey, yeah. 70,000. You want to go look at the other ones or no? She said that there's a road that takes you. You can drive.
262,500 na lang yung 350.
350.
Spot cash po yun.
Oh,
Or
it's
spot
back.
cash, yes. 25% discount for.
Okay, you have 200?
So ano pa yun, kasi sa 100 square meter.
Oh.
Pero ang regular cut natin is 200. So dodoblehin lang natin.
Maybe I can tell my cousin, hey, maybe you want to buy the half one. No? Like one.
Pwede ka na tayo na sarili mong design. Kasi pag bumili ka ng house in lot ngayon,
¿Qué pasó? You want to look at the other ones? Let's just look at them, see.
Which one? The 100
Yeah.
square meter? It's more on that side. There's a lot of boost.
But we can drive there, she said.
No, we cannot drive.
Oh, you cannot do?
So, after development.
Oh. Oh, okay.
So, ang
Chinga.
target is 3 to 5 years.
Oh, okay, okay.
But in the commercial lot, pwede ko lang gamitin nila.
Oo. Kasi after na lang development, ma'am, yung price namin, nag-double na rin yun siya.
70.
Ngayon, under development pa.
Ikaw, nasip.
Titik na.
Bagyak na yun pa.
Was it, wait, get it? We can get it, maybe the 20 something.
Malapit lang siya, ma'am, sa barangay. Malapit lang siya sa school.
We'll have to see.
Chat mo nga kung magkano yung ano.
Mm.
Yung? Wala nga akong load. Wala akong data.
It's up to you.
If you give 100 down, how much is the payment? With
Which one, sir?
this one right here.
Here.
Mm.
1.4.
Magkano yung tinatawag ko kayo niya?
140
Ay,
kasi 7,000.
Oo.
So, ito,
140.
300 square meter. So, ito po, may nakakuha na po na ito ng ano, yung lot 7.
Ay, lot 7, not available.
Ito na lang po tayo sa unahan.
Mm.
Ito po sa company ko.
Oh, these are more over there. Oh, we haven't even seen those. Sorry.
Kung saan po tayo nakatayo, no? Ito po yun.
This is all the
pero
same.
meron kaming, pwede mag-tubis dyan sa harap. Pwede naman, no? Sa harap.
Beaches are amiga.
Time lot. Pwede siguro.
That's all those are all the same down payment? The ones in the yellow?
Yes.
Uh,
140.
140?
Only 140. Down payment.
140? I thought,
Because you say you want to give more down payment, so you can give 100. Need to give
oh, you have to give what?
140.
140.
140.
Chinga.
Pero ang monthly dili siya mo down.
After nyo na full down payment, pwede ka na mag-ban.
For example, ngayon, nag-down kayo.
Kung mo, kuan mo kung
Puta madre, wey. Pinches hormigas. Botón. Comen. Eso cae.
For example, nag-down kayo ngayon, then after 3 months, o ilang
Yeah.
ano kayo maka-down?
Okay, anong sinasabi mo, ma'am?
No, pero yo creo.
O, ika-cash nyo yung down payment.
ay gusto niya
Ah,
na maghatag siya down para sa monthly maubos-ubos siya. Imbes 4,000.
Bahala kayo din.
Ubos
Mas mababa pa.
How much did
Kung
she
malaki
say?
yung down nyo, ma'am, makakabawas kayo sa monthly kasi i-divide lang naman siya natin.
How much did she
Yung
say for
remaining
that?
balance, i-divide natin siya sa 60. Kasi di ba ang ano natin, ang 5 years, kasi 5 years to pay, no? 60 months.
so, ang mangyayari niyan, ma'am, kung halimbawa, 140,000, nag-down kayo ng 250 or 200,000, no? So, ang remaining natin,
Okay, divide.
Oo.
yun ang i-divide
i-divide.
natin.
Or sa same,
So, kung
then
ma-
you go more, you still need to pay. Example, 350,000 minus 150, you still need to pay the rest like
For 5 years or 3 years.
Yeah.
But, hindi po siya pwede magamit. You cannot use the area after you fulfill.
What happened?
Kani?
What you say?
They said you cannot use the area until you pay all the.
Yes.
Oh.
Unless full payment.
Okay, chinga.
If we podcast naman, so this podcast, may list ka na nga. Naka-promo kami, 20 pesos.
So we can't put a house or nothing until we pay it. That's what they're saying.
Hindi ka pa pwede magpatayo ng bahay. You cannot put a house already until you full paid.
Ah, okay.
Yes.
But we can come and clean and stuff like that.
But if you have a spot cash, so right now, if you want to put a house,
Oh yeah, yeah. Okay.
Sa akong mag-spot me, sa primuhon na siya.
yes, primuhon.
Mm.
Tapos title processing, meron din kami, no?
Mm.
Title assistance, meron din kami. At saka po yung attorney's fee. Sinolder na po ng company yung kasi may babayaran mo sa attorney's fee. Sinolder na ng company yung 2%, 1% pa lang yung sa inyo. Tapos po, ang unang ibibigay sa atin yung DOS, no? DOS po yung deed of sale po yun, no? Kasi nasa mother title na po yung nasa company na po yung pangalan, yung title. So DOS yung po yung gagamitin natin kapag transfer ng pangalan. So pag kayo nag-transfer ng pangalan, medyo mahal po yung individual, no? Pero kung sa amin po nyo ipapahandle, kaya meron kaming title processing din, makakalis po kayo ng konti. So yung 100,000 siguro mababayaran nyo lang mga 30. Kasi pag individual nasa 100,000 mahigit ang process ng transfer ng pangalan. Transfer of name.
What you say?
So kung dito naman din po 5 years pa. Dito 5 years pa.
5 years.
So yes, we're waiting for development of this area.
Well, we can come and clean and stuff like that, no? That's fine.
Pero pwede na mo siya. No, it's useless because we still can't use it.
So kailangan talaga spot test para. Hindi, dito talaga dito.
Well, we can, I don't know.
Kasi anong dahil
Okay. Too many, yeah, it's all right.
Meron din tayong tinatawag dyan na spot cash.
Maybe I can message my
yun po.
cousin.
Ma'am, mag-enter po kami. 3 months to pay. Pwede rin.
Spot cash pa rin yun, ma'am. Pwede 5%
Spot cash
pa
yun,
rin siya.
25%. Pasok pa rin kayo dun sa spot cash. Kung halimbawa yung 262, doblehin natin kasi 200 square meters niya, no? 262 plus 262, 500 for 24. Tama ba? 524.
Ay, ba 200?
It's nice. I like that. I like that one. We just wait till
Spot cash mo.
the 20 and
10% po.
Okay, tell them.
we'll come. If no one buys it. Okay, the 20. What's today? The third?
The second. Oh no, the third.
The third?
Oh yeah.
Around the, I think 22 over here. Yeah, around the
Dito pa mo mo sweldo.
end of the month. I'll call you and you still have it. If not, we'll look at I don't know, maybe the one next to it or something. That way, we only have like what 40 something right now. So if it's available, yeah, just by the 22nd.
22nd of November.
Yeah, this month.
November 26.
Mm.
So what is your target area, sir?
I go this one right here. The one right here.
The 200 square meter.
Yeah, I like this one right here.
Okay.
Yeah, this is the one I want right here.
Okay. If available kasi first come first serve naman kami.
Mm.
Kasi ang dami po nag-viewing, no? Ang dami nagka-cater ng site tour. So kung sino po yung mauna, siya po talaga yung mabibigay ng priority lang. So kung halimbawa 22, anong natin? 18 lang yung promo.
Hanggang 30.
Hanggang 30, so pasok pa kayo sa promo. So yung 350, less natin ng 20%.
350 to no. Kaya
kasi
kung makabil mi sa
Or let's-
promo,
or let's-
ito 200.
262.
Or they just wait till they have a better
Dahil sa
promo.
200 square meter siya, no? Ay, doblehin lang natin yun. Yung 700, magiging 524.
500 what?
524 is podcast.
Oh, okay.
Sige.
Mm.
So man nato yung gingon karong 22.
Itong 22, possibly na. Basta dito lang siya. So, ito yung just available, no? Pero ito, available. Ayan yung siya, inaano na sasakyan. Ano dito po ba? So, pagaling. So, hindi tayo makakapunta kasi doon. Medyo masukal yung ano.
Di asa kay ang sold na ani?
So, hindi po. Ito po yung color coding namin.
Diri dapit, wala pa yung nakapalit diri. Asa to?
Ito lang. Number 7.
Yung 7 lang yung hindi na ano, pwede.
Ito po yung may naka ano na.
Number
Naka-avail na siya. Opo. So, kung makakasunod po kayo, pangalawa po kayo.
Entonces son 200 metros cuadrados.
So, ano lang po kayo kay Ma'am Pero.
Nagkatahuan. Papi!
Tayo po, the record lang.
Ay, karo. Okay, vámonos.
Tapos ang office po namin sa Magsaysay.
Son.
Pwede po mo kuya karon lang.
State Brokerage.
Pues dice que son 200 pies cuadrados. Bueno, metros. Ay, cabrón, ¿dónde están las hormigas? Y es de allá, como donde está el techo ese, hasta el lado de la calle. Y este vale 350. 350. Si das en efectivo te sale como en 260. Dice que si lo compramos en efectivo lo dan 260. Mira. Y el terreno llega hasta donde está la flecha roja, la segunda. Entonces este me gusta. Y dice que son 70,000 pesos. Mira, vamos a ver todo acá. 70,000 pesos. Son como $1,400. Se me hace que... Mira. Aquí. Todo esto está planito, está bonito. Me gusta, me gusta. ¿Qué creen ahí? Y son... ¿Cuántos son? Son como 80 y... Son 4,400 pesos al mes, que viene siendo como ¿qué? Como $90, sí. Y dice que este lo va a vender también, pero en el futuro. Este es era así turístico, pero viejito, pero quién sabe cuánto costará. No, ese sí de volada lo compraría si tuviera el dinero, pero pues no sé, lo voy a pensar. Tengo que esperar como quiera para juntar la feria. Ahí voy.
Bye-bye, baby.
So, okay na sir.
Wala na si sir, balik na picture.
Pwede rin.
Picture
Ano?
balik na, nandito na si sir.
For the record sir, picture lang. We take a picture for the record.
Yeah.
Sir, this one.
Oh, us. Oh.
Kasi to argue sila.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
Thank you very much sir.
Okay, thank you. Nice to meet you.
Sige sir, thank you.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, sir. Take care.
Bye-bye.
Mamingat po.
Órale, vámonos. I kind of wanna water, mommy.
Water.
Okay, what do you think? You want Big Daddy to buy it for you? ¿Sí o no, mami? ¿Sí o no? ¿Lo compro, papi?
Como papa.
¿Lo compro? Ah, yo lo voy a comprar. Ok, mira, aquí los encontramos un lugarcito aquí yéndonos de la casa. Mira, está una tienda aquí en Polanco todavía. Tienes esos para sentarte ahí si quieres tomar de esto. Vamos a ver.
Available menu.
Hasta venden comida, mira. Mira.
Tequila sunrise.
Which one you want? Tequila sunrise?
Suda.
Wow. Fruit soda. Fruity soda se llama.
I want the fruity Yakult.
Fruity Yakult. Wow. Dice ella que quiere este. ¿Este?
6 ounce.
6 ounces.
Family day
Oh, no,
sir.
16. ¿Y tú?
Ikaw.
¿Qué quieres?
Pili dia. Lakla.
Wow. The fruity yogurt. Ah, chingado. That one does look good. A ver, ¿cuál me pruebo yo? Which one you think I should try? Oh, what is this? Mogu Mogu drink. Okay, whatever. Are they gonna do it or what? Ah, bueno, el terreno. Mira qué bonito está aquí, todo verde. Está bonito allá. Aquí donde hacen las bebidas. Deja ver, voy para allá a ver si vienen.
That one takes long. I have to go home. We need to go.
Okay, see they got water or something right there. Cold.
Of course, you have water. Go.
Muy bien maldita, bro.
Ko ang amo mo order mo.
Okay, vienen. You have money there?
Wala, gonna leave me here. Payment.
Payment. Yes or no?
Yes.
Somero. Uy. Mira, mira. La china nomás no come y se enoja.
Just get the water. Man, just get the water and checking for the rest of the water. Ito na sa mga snacks yun. So, sa ali. Just go get the water. Or you.
She's coming. Huh?
She's coming. Go get the water, baby.
Ayo. Too big? Too big?
So big. 1 liter. Book now. 500.
Oh, you have some change for this? Ay, cabrón. You have change?
Pila ng tubig? 15.
Oh, 15. Oh, yeah, I got 15 right here.
Ito na sa menu.
Naxos Mania. No, pues nunca fueron a hacerlos la bebida.